This is the Meerkat in for D7 with the broad market review for August 11, 2016. Well, happy days are here again. First time since 1999, all three markets hit a new all-time high on the same day. That's correct, folks. It was a bullish day on Wall Street. Let's take a look here at the numbers. SPY was up 0.46. The Dow was up 0.64. The Qs were up 0.4. Then the small caps up 0.48. Wow. And look at Bank. It was right in there. It was confirming the move up after lagging yesterday. And that VIX, look at that, down another 4%, back down under 12, down to 11.55. Now, gold and silver, yesterday they popped. Today they dropped a little bit. In fact, the silver dropped 1% after the big pop yesterday. But here was the big news today. Once again, oil, only this time, kaboom! Oil went rising. It was up 4.5%. Woo, doggies, it went up. And then we've got the US dollar up. And hey, Grok traders, trend trade is on. We are very extreme bullish here at the 0.58 close on the trend. All right, let's take a look here at the SPY daily chart. Here we are, high basing, breakout, it pulls back, tags that high base line support and resistance perfectly, and boom, all new, all-time highs. Wow. Now look at the volume here. We've been resting up here, and only now we're getting to get increasing volumes very, very slowly. Again, we are in the summer doldrums, and so that is more bullish than bearish. Now that we're starting getting some increase as we break out to some new highs. All right, let's go to the Dow Jones Industrials with the DIA ETF on that, and it too, boom, just went up again. Almost a mini flag there, not quite. Then we've got the Qs up here. It was high basing, pulled back a little yesterday. Now, boom, new, brand new all-time highs. Now, of course, we know that the small caps here, it was not one of the three that made it because it is not near its all-time highs, but it did come back. It isn't up to where these highs were quite yet, and it's lagging because its all-time highs are way up here. So it still has a little ways to catch up. Hey, let's take a look at that oil, USO. It was down here, and it was in a bear flag that was pinching. Yesterday, it broke down from there. Looked like some real trouble, and then today, kaboom, right back up and back up in that range. So this is not quite a swing low yet. Can't change this here, but if we were able to, it now looks like a regular bear flag. By golly, it's still looking a little bearish there, even though we had such an up day today. Let's keep our eyes on that. Again, we are in the summer doldrums, relatively low volumes. So where do we go from here? Who knows? We're high basing here at all-time highs, just slowly plugging away. We are coming to the end of the major part of the earnings season, so individual stocks have been moving very big. In fact, retail stocks just exploded today, and then after market, the Nordstrom's also reported, and then kaboom, up about 12% on their earnings. So they've been beat up here for the last year, and now they're starting to recover. Macy's and Target and others. So let's keep an eye on retail for some opportunities, but overall the market's just kind of humming along. This is Mark the Meerkat. Hey, just remember that the most successful traders in the world are obsessed with protecting their capital and controlling risk. Today, you become one of those traders. Trade well.